Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw OCPP troubleshooting with Wireshark logs, full guide step by step clearly. To begin troubleshooting OCPP withdrawals using Wireshark logs, you first need to install Wireshark if you haven't already. Visit the official Wireshark website to download the latest version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the installation. Open Wireshark after the installation process has been completed. Ensure that you have administrative privileges since Wireshark requires these to capture packets on your network. Select the appropriate network interface from the list of available interfaces. This is typically your Ethernet or Wi-Fi connection. Click on the Start Capturing Packets button, represented by a fin-like icon. You should now see packet data populating the Wireshark interface in real time. To filter for OCPP traffic, enter HTTP or WS in the display filter bar, depending on your OCPP implementation. Monitor the log for messages related to withdrawal commands or any error messages that may appear. When an OCPP withdrawal command is sent or received, look for packets that contain the term withdrawal or associated error codes. Right-click on any packet of interest and choose Follow and then TCP Stream to view the full conversation. This can help you diagnose what exactly happened during the withdrawal process. Take note of any anomalies such as unexpected disconnects or error messages in the stream. If you notice errors, check the response codes that the server sends back. A successful withdrawal should typically return a success status in its response. If an error occurs, investigate the specific error code and reference the OCPP specifications for clarification. Document your findings as you go for easy reference later. Once you have captured enough relevant data, stop the packet capture by clicking on the red square button in the toolbar. Save your capture file for further analysis or for sharing with colleagues. To export the logs, navigate to File, then select Export Specified Packets. Choose the appropriate format and specify your desired parameters. After you've exported the logs, analyze the data with your team to pinpoint the issue. Using these Wireshark logs, you can draw conclusions about the operational efficiency and identify areas for improvement in OCPP withdrawals. By following these steps, you will enhance your troubleshooting capabilities and help facilitate smoother transactions in the future. Always ensure you are compliant with your organization's data management policies when analyzing logs. This concludes the process for troubleshooting OCPP withdrawals using Wireshark logs. Implement what you've learned, and you'll be on your way to resolving issues more efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.